Hello friends, thanks for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hey, today I want to show you the most important tool in my bus building arsenal. And this is super helpful whether you're doing a no build or a full build. Your ability to insert Rivnuts into metal and bolt things to your bus is really super important, and to have be structurally sound. So today I'm going to show you the Rivnut tool that I use for everything. This has got to be the most valuable tool for bus building, van building, the most important tool that I have that enables me to do many things in regards to building out a bus or anything that has metal that you want to bolt to. So this, many people make these. This is from Amazon. Libraton, yeah, something like that. I don't know. And in here, I have some spares, but in here are all these rivets. It comes with some, you have to buy others that you need, but they're all different sizes, and that's a threaded nut. And all these tools for different size threaded nuts fit onto the tool and allow you to insert these. So you drill a hole and then you insert this with the tool and it compresses it and it's in there forever. So you just take the tool and you put the right one in for the size. This happens to be 1/4 and you screw it on there, and then you drill a hole, and then when you put that in the hole, you just push on the things and it squishes it down and captures it in between the pieces of metal. And so no matter how thick it is, as long as it's within the range of the bolt, this just squished it down flat. But if you had, let's say, 1/8 inch thick I-beam, you drilled all the way through it, you push that in, it's going through the I-beam and clamping down on the back side of the I-beam. So it's really, really, really wonderful. And then of course it just screws off and you're left with that thread in whatever you put it in. It's really just the most handy tool for building buses or vans or whatever. My lock mechanism that I installed on the school bus doors, that's all Rivnutted to the actual aluminum metal there. So it is, all those bolts are threaded in and screwed in to Rivnuts. I'll take you outside and show you some other things that I use Rivnuts for. The power outlet is not just screwed into the bus, it's screwed into threaded Rivnuts that are installed precisely, and then you can use proper threaded bolts to bolt things to your bus. Not like sheet metal screws that just come out. This water faucet drain here, those screws are going into Rivnuts. Something else I just thought about as well, these handles I put on, which I absolutely adore, these stainless steel threaded bolts are going into Rivnuts as well. So these handles are just like a rock. And on the outside, I put just a little teeny knob on the outside so you wouldn't have anything to grab onto if you were trying to break into the bus, like big bars or something. So this just, but that's also Rivnutted in. to the bus as well. So everything, the shades mounted to the back bus wall, the all thread screwed into the ceiling, the shelves, tie downs, everything you see here is mounted to the bus with Rivnuts riveted into the bus, so you can create threads to screw whatever size threaded you need to install. Well, I hope that tool really helps you in your bus building adventure. I know it's been a super important tool for me to have, and I think it will be for you too. So thanks for watching another video. Peace out.